Through this video, we want to explain you about the importance of natural resources in the human life. Pollution on land releases greenhouse gas, which is methane. The pollution on land, known as land pollution or soil pollution, affects the health of animals as well as human beings. For example, it causes cancer. In the previous clip, you have observed that the girl, after eating snacks, throws the packet on the land where she was playing, and this increases land pollution. Whereas the other girl picks it up and tries to bury it under the soil so that it gets decomposed. Instead of playing with plants, the boy is destroying all of them. We should not throw the garbage as she is throwing in the video. It affects the surroundings. She is trying to not to be noticed by anyone, but she was noticed by a girl, and the girl came to her and asked her to wear the mask properly and also asked her to not to throw garbage here. So the girl picked up all the garbage and left the place where she was throwing the garbage.
जैसे सूरज ने मुस्कुराते हुए ये आंखें खोली हो, जैसे बादलों ने गाते हुए ये बातें बोली हो, जैसे सूरज ने मुस्कुराते हुए ये आंखें खोली हो, जैसे बादलों ने गाते हुए ये.
Here, this is the setup for rainwater harvesting in a park, and this is used to preserve water for future use. Here in the image, you can see that we all are wearing the mask properly for the prevention from the virus COVID-19 so that it could not destroy the human resource as well as the natural resource. So I would suggest all of you to wear mask properly and maintain a proper distance from each other. In the video, the girl is studying on her desk and she writes something wrong on the paper and throws it as a waste. But the other girl comes and makes an aeroplane for her to play to reuse the paper. We should not always reuse the paper for playing, but we can also make many home decoration pieces with the waste paper.
This is a sand clock made up of plastic bottles and other material. The idea behind this clock is to reuse plastic as much as possible. The plastic bottle should not be thrown here and there. Instead, we can make something useful out of it. If not useful, then at least for fun we can make it by not throwing it. In this scenario, the workers are cleaning up the space while these children are throwing up the garbage here and there, which is not good. So we should throw all the garbage in dustbin.
These people are one of the reason we all are healthy. They keep surroundings clean and green, so we should respect them.
That brings us to the end. Now, after watching the video, I hope you all have understood the importance of natural resources in our life. The lesson which was there in this video is not to waste up our resources, not to spread waste here and there, be it land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, or